Front, is it looking, is it facing front? Is it going? Is it given? Is it given 74? Oh, but the wick is those, that's the problem. It's going up, but the wick is not given. 1.0335. 1.0335, is it going up at all? 1.033, oh, it's going up, guys. 0354 is going up. It's going up. It's going up. Do I want to try this one out? Rafael, having the balls to click buy. I get your point. As in, yeah, deciding that you want to buy, right? I understand that. I understand that. Look at this one now. It's climbing. I think we're gonna have to click on that buy. What do you think? We're gonna have to click on that buy. It looks like we're gonna click on the buy. I'm just waiting for it to get close. It looks like it's gonna get close. Is it gonna get close? 0387. What is the RSI? The RSI is at 75. This might likely go up a bit more, guys. Let's go with it, guys. Let's go with this. What do you think? Oh, I'm just waiting for it. Waiting for it to get to 4. If it gets to 104, I'm going to pick it. But right now, I'm looking at it is at 103 what? 103.8. Let's give it a little bit of time. Let's be sure. Is it going to clock? Is it going to get there? Oh, yes, it did. It's going up, guys. This is going up. So front is looking front. We are doing $50 here, guys. We're doing $50. Let's go with that. 49.87. What about that? Let's go and get it. Let's go and get it, guys. Let's go and get it. Let's put $50 in there. It won't pick up everything, but let's go. Let's go for it. Let's go for it. Let's go for it, guys. Let's see. Has it gone? I don't know. Is it going? Is it going? Is it gonna go? Oh, I think we have to. Has it gone? It looks like it might get there. 103.77. Oh, we have to pick the bigger price. We have to pick the higher price. That's what it means, guys. We have to. Oh yeah, it's going up, guys. It is going up. We need to cancel. Let's go and pick that higher price. We don't have a choice. We got to pick the higher price. Oh, the higher price is going up. It's going up, guys. Let's not waste time. This is not the time to waste time. Oh, what's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Let me cancel that again. What's happening? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Let's put 50 there. Come on, do this thing. Let's go with you. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Did it buy? It bought. It bought, guys. It bought, and it's going up. It's climbing up, guys. Yes. yes, I bought it. Now we got to choose a 2%. We're just going to take a 2% trade, guys. 2%. So we're going to put that. Let's go see, because right now we bought that. We have to do this inside of convert. Let me see how much we picked. How much did we buy? We bought it as how much, guys? We bought it as front. We bought it in 2 portions. 34, 48, 14. 34 is what? That's 40, 48. Oh, what was it? I can't remember the amount again. 34.48. Oh, I can't remember. 34.48. It's going down again, but don't worry, it will come back up. Yeah. So buying breakouts is dangerous. Let's see how this goes. Let's see how this goes. Right now, it's going down, but don't worry, it will come back up with more strength. Yeah. So how much? I want to know how much we bought. It was how much? That is 34, 48, 1463. 34, 48, 1463. 34.48 plus 14.63. 34. Am I right? Let me go and check. Am I currently right? I'm not sure. 14.63. Am I right? Yes. So it just picked up a bit. It didn't pick up everything. 14.63. Yeah, so 49.11. All right, that's good. Not bad. Let's go back and see what we will do. 49.63. So we bought it at what price? You can see now it's going up, guys. It's going up. Let's go and see. Let's go and see how much we have made right now. Let's go see. So we are putting up front 44, then we're changing that to USDT. Let's see how much we have in profit right now. Let's put in the max. Okay, so we are currently at 49.20. We're actually in profit, but I want to change this. Let's make it 449. Okay, let me see what 49 will give me. 49 is not giving me enough, guys. Let's make it 5. Okay, 49, but that's not enough, guys. I want 2%. 2%, guys. So let's make this 8. Okay, so we have 50.70. Okay, so what we're looking for, it was actually 49.11. Okay, 49.11. This is a little bit more than 2%. Let's make this 7. All right, let's just see. Okay, so we have 49.11. Let's just have maybe 50.11. I think we're good with this. That's just fine. Let's just click on place order. All right, let's go see what it is currently. So we have put that as 1.07. Let's go see what it is currently right now. It's going up, guys. It is going up. We bought it as it's actually going down a bit. What did we buy it as? Let's go and check what we bought it as. We bought it as 0.045, guys. 0.45 is what we bought it as. Okay, and we put it as 107. Okay, so it's still going up. It's going to collect its enough anointing, and it will go back up, right? So let's just leave it. It will go back up. I'll come back to check it. So front, we are looking at front currently. We picked front as we speak right now. We picked front at that point. I think it was like what we calculated was 49.11, right? Yes, 49.11. So currently it's at 49.11. Okay, so we are taking this trade. We're looking at it, right? And then we're going to see how long it takes for this trade, to get back up. It's currently at 72 back again. So we're going to see how long it's going to take for it to go back up again. We are actually in profit, and it's fine if you feel that, oh, if you're not sure about this, because currently we're in profit as we speak, and I can decide, oh, let me go and reduce my profit margin to slightly lower, right? I can do that, maybe just to make you guys happy and not be scared. I'll go and do that so that we can just come out of this trade together and see that we will make money. This was like 49.11. So if I go to front right now and I cancel front, okay, let me cancel front for you guys and see that, to show you where we are currently in the trade, right? So let's just cancel front, and I've done that right now, and I put it in limit. So let's go ahead and see what exactly is going on. We put that in front. Okay, let me come out of here. I have to come out of here because it's not going to show right now. So currently we are, can you see that we are in profit right now? I'm actually going to go and cash out, right? So we're just going to cash out so that my friends will stop being scared. Oh my God, don't worry, don't worry. I understand what you are saying, so that we don't get ourselves into any trouble. All right, so can you see that we're currently in profit? So I'm going to place that. Yes. So just so that we can just get out of the trade, right? Because I understand how you feel. I understand how we all feel. This is at 1.06. We're currently at 1.0637. Let's see what it is currently in the charts. 1.0367. Okay, I think we should get it executed at any point right now. As you can see, it's going to get executed at this point. Yeah. You can see right now we should have come out of this trade right now. Any moment from now is at 666. It's definitely going to go to 7, right? But I just want to make sure that, yeah, we are all happy. You can see that. You can see that is at 623. Okay, let me go back to convert and see what is going on. It should have executed by now. I think it should have. Well, I don't know the reason why it hasn't. It should have executed. What's the price right now? It's supposed to execute at 0637. All right, 0637. We should have gotten out of here, except maybe it hasn't. I don't know. It's at 0613. Okay, it's doing its best. Oh, 0644, 0637. Can you see that? Let me go to the charts and see what's going on. Yeah, look at it. Maybe it wants to get to 07 first. Can you see where it is right now? Can you see where it is? Can you see where we are? We're at 062. Let me see. Oh, okay, it's gone down. It's gone down. Let's see. Has it executed? I don't know. Oh, maybe it hasn't. It hasn't executed, but I don't know why it hasn't. It should have executed. So maybe it's going to go pick up more strength. I expect it to have executed by now. Anyways, that's where we are. So I've reduced my profit margin so that at least whichever way I can get it to execute faster. He said it will probably continue to 1.16. Okay, let's wait and see how far it can go. Right? Let's see what it can do. Don't forget that the intensity is actually going higher. It's going higher. It's going higher. Currently, where is the RSI? The RSI is at 77. It should definitely push up a little bit more. I'm expecting that to happen. Right? You can see. Can you see where we are? It's at 0611 right now. Okay. 0611. I'm just checking out. Let's just leave it and go away, right? Look at front. Front is at 107, guys. Look at it. It should have executed by now, guys. Front should have executed. I believe so. Yeah. Yes, my people. Can you see that our front has executed and it actually hit 107? Can you see that? So when I'm saying something here, you better believe what I'm talking about, guys. I actually reduced it and I adjusted it because the fear that Raphael had, and of course the fear that Facts had. So I said, okay, let me also listen to what you have to say. But can you see right now? It's at 107.72. Oh my God! This is beautiful, guys. We could have made that, we could have made that $1 plus. Yeah, more than 2%, but that's fine. We made profit all the same. Let's go check it out. Remember that what we bought, yes, what we bought was $49.11. Okay, so we're doing the calculation based on that. Let's go to convert, guys. Our first trade of the day has executed in profit, guys. I mean, what do you say about this, guys? What do you say about this? What do you say, guys? What do you say? Look at it. This is $49.94. Okay, and now we spent 49.11. Remember, 49.11. Don't forget that 49.11. So we'll go and check what that calculation is. It's not up to 2%. It's not up to 2%, but it's fine. Okay, so we had 49.9. What was it again? I can't remember. What was it? Can you remember what it was again? 49.94. Okay, 49.94 for minus 49.11. Okay, we had 83 cents. Awesome, guys. Can you see that? 83 cents. We could have actually had more. We could have actually, what would we have had? It was supposed to give us 50 point. Let me go and check what I was supposed to get, guys. Let me show you what I was supposed to get. Let me show you. I was supposed to get 50.23. Yes, I was supposed to get 50.23. So how much did you make me lose, people? Let me see if I put this. Okay, so I got 83 cents, but I mean, if I left it to 50.23 as I wanted to do earlier, I would have gotten 49.11. I would have gotten $1.12, guys. I'd have gotten $1.12, which would have been, let me see, $1.12. My initial plan was $1.12, and I would have actually hit it right now, as you can see here. So that would have been 49.11, right? Times, what would that be? Let's say 2.2%. No, what am I saying? Yeah, it would have been more than 2.2. It would have been 2.4, 2.3. Yes, I would have gotten 2.3% on my trade, guys, but no problems. I mean, it's always good to be cautious and be very conservative. So that's why I listen to you guys. That's why I listen to you. So what we got, I think it was 1 point something, 1.7. Oh, let me see. Was it 1.7? What was it? 1. 1.7, yeah, 1.7%. We got 1.7% instead. Okay, so the percentage that we got today was 1.7. Can you see right now we're currently at 1072? Awesome.